Welcome back to some more tarot tuition with combination cards. We're going to be looking at the Nine of Pentacles for you this evening. And so let's go straight to it. And so on the screen for you, we have the Fool and the Nine of Pentacles. Let's look at one of the keywords for the Fool. As we know, there are many, but we've chosen the word new. The Nine of Pentacles is a card that can mean achievement, and it can be a card of independence, and let's not forget abundance. Another key word on the screen for you is luxury. We have gratitude, new, gratitude, achievement, independence, abundance, and luxury. So combining those things together in a nutshell, the Fool and the Nine of Pentacles is a new journey ahead, and you're fully equipped to enjoy the fruits of your labor. This combination can suggest stepping into independence with confidence and financial stability. The Magician and the Nine of Pentacles. Well, the Magician is a card of manifestation, combined with maybe the word luxury or even abundance. Here's another key word for you. The Magician and the Nine of Pentacles shows you have the skills and resources to master and manifest any material success that you want. So this pair is highlighting the power of using your talents to create a life of luxury and self-sufficiency. What about if we bring in a High Priestess? The key word for the High Priestess can be future. Now, the High Priestess and the Nine of Pentacles are telling you to trust your intuition and that it will lead you to your personal success and abundance. The Nine of Pentacles reinforces that inner wisdom which will guide you towards your financial freedom and comfort. But remember that the High Priestess is a card of the future, suggesting this is all about your financial independence. The Empress and the Nine of Pentacles. So this is a card of growth. And we know that one of the key words is abundance when it comes to the Nine of Pentacles. So the Empress and the Nine of Pentacles is abundance and luxury are yours to cultivate. This combination suggests enjoying the fruits of your labor and the rewards of both the material world and emotional fulfillment. Well, the Emperor is a card of ambitions, and there's many key words, but in a nutshell, the Emperor and the Nine of Pentacles combined can be about stability, authority, and control that are yours to claim. The Nine of Pentacles is indicating that your disciplined approach will lead to a life of independence and financial security. So on the screen now, we've got the High of the Nine of Pentacles. Tradition and structure support your personal success. So this pair suggests that following the tried and true methods will bring your lasting prosperity and self-sufficiency. So on the screen, we've got the Lovers and the Nine of Pentacles. The Lovers, key word that we've chosen is choices. The independence that's coming from the Nine of Pentacles. I've chosen the key word independence. The Lovers and the Nine of Pentacles says that the relationship is flourishing when both partners are secure and independent. The Nine of Pentacles suggests that personal fulfillment and financial independence can lead to a harmonious and balanced partnership. The Chariot and the Nine of Pentacles, victory is yours, achieved through hard work and determination. So this is a combination that emphasizes the power of ambition and perseverance in attaining financial stability and personal success. Strength and the Nine of Pentacles. Strength and resilience will help you achieve self-sufficiency. The Nine of Pentacles confirms that your personal power and efforts lead to lasting material and emotional abundance. The Hermit and the Nine of Pentacles. Solitude brings clarity and self-reliance. This pairing suggests that retreating will focus your inner wisdom and lead you to fulfilling that independent life of financial success. The Wheel of Fortune and the Nine of Pentacles. Luck is on your side, leading to financial abundance. The Nine of Pentacles reinforces that positive changes will lead to greater prosperity and enjoyment of life's comforts. Justice and the Nine of Pentacles. Balance and fairness bring about the rewards that you deserve. This combination suggests that your fair and ethical approach to work will bring you both material and personal success. The Hangman and the Nine of Pentacles. Sometimes a change in perspective is needed to realize your true abundance. The Nine of Pentacles suggests that a shift in how you can lead to self-sufficiency and fulfillment. Death card and the Nine of Pentacles. Transformation and letting go of the old lead to new prosperity. The Nine of Pentacles suggests that embracing change can create room for financial growth and personal independence. Temperance and the Nine of Pentacles. Balance and moderation lead to a life of luxury and self-sufficiency. This pairing emphasizes the importance of patience and thoughtful decisions in achieving lasting success. The Devil and the Nine of Pentacles. Overcoming materialism or unhealthy attachments leads to true wealth. The Nine of Pentacles suggests that financial success is best enjoyed when free from negative influences and dependencies. The Tower and the Nine of Pentacles. Sudden upheaval brings the opportunity for personal growth and financial stability. This combination suggests that after disruption, you will find newfound independence and success. The Star and the Nine of Pentacles. Hope and inspiration guide you towards a life of abundance. The Nine of Pentacles confirms that your dreams and aspirations are within reach, leading to personal fulfillment and material wealth. The Moon and the Nine of Pentacles. Trust your instincts in navigating uncertainty. The Nine of Pentacles reassures you that even through confusion, your efforts will lead to self-sufficiency and the reward of personal success. The Sun and the Nine of Pentacles. Joy and success are guaranteed, with financial stability and personal growth. The Nine of Pentacles celebrates your ability to enjoy the material and emotional rewards of your hard work. Judgment and the Nine of Pentacles call you to step into your power and embrace your independence. The Nine of Pentacles is confirming that by answering the call for self-growth, you'll enjoy financial prosperity and personal freedom. The World and the Nine of Pentacles. Completion and fulfillment are yours to enjoy. The Nine of Pentacles signifies that your hard work has led to a prosperous and independent life, one that is rich in both material and emotional success. And so there were some tarot combinations for you. Just before this tutorial comes to an end, let's look at some of those keywords for the Nine of Pentacles. And so with some of the earth signs, all about stability, practicality, and the material world. Suit of Pentacles is tied to earth, of course, symbolizing the material realm, including finances, health, and resources. Earth represents groundedness, growth, and fruits of effort, urging practical action and responsibility. However, Earth's energy can become stagnant or overly materialistic if unbalanced. Earth signs are Taurus, Virgo, and Capricorn, known for their practicality, discipline, and focus on building stability. Earth is linked to Venus, which governs values and abundance, and Saturn, a planet of structure and responsibility. Some of the key themes of this suit is stability, prosperity, hard work, and security. Earth cards encourage grounded action, resource management, and appreciation for tangible rewards. Some of the earth cards are the Empress, the Hierophant, the World, which emphasizes stability and grounded success, not just the pentacles themselves. When interpreting a tarot spread, identify elemental dominance to see which energies influence the situation. Check for balance or absence of elements, revealing areas that need attention. Observe different interactions, maybe fire and air, drive inspiration, but can cause conflict. Water and earth foster growth, but may stagnate without action. So the elements at the core of Tarot's symbolic system, reflecting the dynamic forces shaping our lives, recognizing their manifestation in the tarot suits and their astrological and planetary connections, unlocks a deeper insight. By embracing the wisdom of these elements, you can create balance, navigate challenges, and align with life's natural rhythms. The advanced techniques that I offer within my courses are like this of pairing cards with a minor card and a major arcana. This method transforms the minor cards from static archetypes into dynamic forces within the tarot narrative. Why study my signature courses? Well, if you want to learn the art of tarot pairings and elevate your readings, go to my intermediate and advanced signature courses. You'll be able to unlock profound insights by blending minor cards, court cards, and major cards, which creates clear, actionable interpretations. Why not start your journey today? Go and have a look at my intermediate course and my advanced tarot course. Thank you for watching and all your support. I'll see you soon.